Tonight we're having potato masala. Dosa.
Pancake, rice pancake.
It's a fermented rice pancake with potatoes and a little chutney. Ooh. There's the batter.
No, I need a plate.
There's my second one.
Tomato chutney.
Homemade tomato chutney on the side. And this one I've already dug into. Very tasty, very good. Okay, friends, so today I'm making another meal from what I have. My online grocery shopping haul when I was sick. I bought this package of kale. And then my past shopping haul, I got some carrots. And then I have this butternut squash has been here for a few weeks. So I want to get that taken care of. And I'm also going to use these leftover potatoes from when I did the lentil meatloaf. So tonight I'm making butternut squash with potatoes, carrots, and kale soup. Roasting some carrots and a baked potato in the toaster oven. Okay, so to go along with my baked potato and carrots, roasted carrots, I'm probably going to steam this Napa cabbage. I think I'll eat these two. So these two Napa cabbage I'll have for dinner. And I better use up my green beans too. They're getting wacky. Okay, so tonight is just a simple, easy meal. A baked potato with a little tahini sauce, 2 roasted carrots, and I made a quick fried rice with my Napa cabbage and frozen vegetables from the freezer. Okay, so I do have, I didn't realize that my pasta lasagna box is open. So I got plenty of lasagna. Thinking if I can make a small lasagna just for me. And I know I need to clean out my refrigerator, but I remember here it is. I remember seeing mozzarella from, I don't know how old this is. But it wouldn't hurt to give it a try. And I'm wondering what I should put inside of this lasagna. Italian sausage beef. Nope, I don't have that. Okay, so here's the end results or the decision here. I'm going to finish up this tomato puree. I have oregano, some garlic powder, basil. It's just going to be a really thin, plain mozzarella cheese lasagna. Okay, so like I mentioned in my decluttering video, when I was decluttering my pantry, my husband doesn't eat most of the food I make. He doesn't like my my style of food, but he's really accustomed to his Indian type of food, so he makes his own food. And his food's predominantly rice, lentils, some vegetables, beans, chicken. Yeah. So you'll see sometimes I'll have like an Indian dish. That means I ate what he made for dinner.
Gather your friends, family, steak or shrimp. Perhaps you make both, as in steak and shrimp scampi. Or how about that steak and honey sriracha shrimp starting at $11?